gave you up, never look back. A couple times and I jumped the trash, spread my wings, learned to fly, held my breath, and I never lied. You put your arms around me, and I'm free. And you breathe your breath inside me, and I breathe, and I breathe. Took a walk to the other side, drank the vine, and it changed my life. Fill the cup, drink it up, drain the cup, and I fill it up. You put your arms around me, and I'm free. And you breathe your breath inside me, and I breathe, and I breathe. And you put your arms around me, and I'm free. And you breathe your breath inside me, and I breathe, and I breathe. So this is my Alvarez, and I haven't played it in forever because I don't know, the sound I thought was far inferior to my Epiphone Master built. So the Epiphone is in the shop, as it were. So here we go. Just broke it out. Sounds pretty good, actually. Not as bad as I thought. Oh, God, well, afternoon in a room full of emptiness by the freeway. I confess was lost between pages of a book full of dead, reading how I die alone. If I could lay to rest and where we won't go. it, baby. I'm great to God. The angel like a pagan in one will take me heaven to a place I've recall. I've lived long ago. The sky was blue, wine shed, and written on. In your heart, long to be roam by road, patiently will I wait for you there, like a song. I'll wait for you there alone. Morn I read till the day was done, and I said in regret all I've done, for all I've blessed, and all I've wronged in dreams till my death. I wander on in your house, long to be road by road, patiently will I wait for you there, like a song. I'll wait for you there alone. This is the guitar I played out with for like a year before I met Josh. So doing all those open mics by myself, getting the wiggles out. Which makes me think of this song. I stood alone on a platform clothes on your back. You took a rest when you took a nap. The damn time we lived for somebody else. Your father died and you decided to leave before yourself. You just said it's time. And I'm glad you the cats and yours are mine. Like the Dead Sea told me I was like your Dead Sea. Never seen me. Oh Lord, won't be Dead Sea. I've been blind, I've been defeated. Your message, I will heed it. Won't you stay, baby? Won't you stay tonight? Like the Dead Sea told me I was like your Dead Sea. Never seek when you with me. Oh Lord, won't be Dead Sea. Oh, I'm like your Dead Sea. Nice words you've ever said to me. Oh, honey, can't you see? I was born to be your Dead Sea. That was one of the first songs I ever played out. One of my favorites. Quickly became one of my favorite songs to cover. Lumineers, Dead Sea. Before that was Like a Stone, Chris Cornell. Well, Audio Slave, but Chris Cornell song. Which makes me think of another song in A minor. This song I wrote. Body's broken and bruised, life is spinning. ambiance in the background. How about that? How about that? You want to hear Envy? It's me and my dog in a snowstorm. It's pretty crazy out there. Here. Let's do this. It's kind of nuts. We'll see if we get the 8 to 12 or 11, whatever this is. All right. This isn't my newest song, but it's newer. Wrote it in the past few months, I guess. We set out for the coast. We gonna make the most of our days from now on. We ain't gonna sing the same old song. We've been locked by this land. Watched our dreams drift away again. So we sat and watched the sunrise. All our time sailing home, singing a new song, sailing home, singing a new song. I strum the chords to your melody. We can sing in harmony. We got to get out of this place. Leave this town without a trace. Love the people wherever we rest, and kiss the cheeks and wish them the best. We go sailing once again, watch the new day begin. Sailing singing a new song, Drift Away. I mean, not to be confused with the other Drift Away. Oh, here's another song I wrote very, very recently. Working on a couple different versions of a recording of it and can't land on how I want it to sound recorded. Plus, I'm a perfectionist about recordings. Fell out of touch with my friends. I'm not the type to make amends. I can't say I paid my dues. Sometimes I win, sometimes I lose. But I tell the truth, sometimes I lose. They set me up with a decent job, but I didn't get very far. They shipped me off to a foreign war. Never figured out what I'm fighting for. So I choose. Sometimes I lose. Some days are filled with strife, and other days are filled with light. Some got away worse than me, and that's the only thing that helps me see. And that's why I choose. Fell out of touch with my friends. I'm not the type to make amends. Well, I can't say I paid my dues. Sometimes I win, sometimes I It's really blowing it now. It's gusting. Gusting, y'all. So back when I first started playing out, I only had like couple of songs I was confident enough to play out. But there were songs that I could. Oh, that's cool. I got a keypad right here in case I need it. Songs that I could play just my hands, because I don't know, when you first start playing, you're kind of nervous about dropping a pick. And I always would say this song's a Tender Tale because it's based off a real Tender Tale. She gonna do whatever she can. Shoot you a text, boy, and get you in hand. 'Cause little Miss Maggie, well, she can. You're lying in, smells the sweet saffron and cinnamon to make you feel like you're only man. Little Miss Maggie, well, she can't. There's a song I wrote called Miss Maggie, which I think there's a Rod Stewart song called Miss Maggie or Maggie or Little Maggie. I don't know. I think it was when he was with the band Faces, but I didn't even think about it till after the fact. Another song I used to play out. I used to like to take, and I still love the idea of taking these different songs that are kind of popular that I grew up on, because in Indiana, John Mellencamp and Tom Petty and stuff like that. I used to I like to take those songs and I like to change them up, totally make them different. I did this Tom Petty thing, so I can't remember how it goes. It's been forever since. Yeah, here we go. She was an American girl. Let me start over. lot of times I played it. Maybe I should have rehearsed before this. She was an American girl, raised on promises. She couldn't help thinking that there was a little more life somewhere else. After all those great big worlds, lots of places to run to. And if she had to die trying, she had one little promise she was gonna keep. Oh yeah, well alright. Take it easy, baby, make it last all night. She was an American girl. It was kinda cold that night. She stood alone on a balcony, just watching those cars roll by down 441 like waves crashing on the beach. One desperate moment, well, he crept back in a memory. Well, God, it's so painful, something so close seems so far out of reach. Oh yeah, alright. Take it easy, baby, make it last all night. She was an American girl. Oh yeah, alright. Take it easy, baby, make it last all night. She was an American girl. Something like that. That was a pop a string there for a second. Another one I like to do was Mellencamp, and somehow certain songs play out live and you play them out and you're playing them and playing them and playing them, but for some reason certain songs like give you a hang up. This one was one of those. I'm blanking on the lyrics. Okay, here we go. When I was a young boy, say son, put away the young boy ways. Now I'm older, growing so much older. I long for them young boy days with a girl like you, with a girl like you. Lord knows there are things we do, baby, just me and you. Come on and make it up, 'cause so good. Come on, baby, make it up so good. 'Cause sometimes love don't feel like it should. You make it look so good. You don't have to be so excited. Just try to have a little bit of fun. Yeah. You don't have to be so invited. You ain't as green as you are young. Yeah. Hey, baby, it's you. time since I rock and roll. Not really, but that song, yes. Good-looking mom who never was around. She grew up down, grew up back in the Indiana boy, Indiana now. Well, she moved down here, age of 18. Knew the boys were there, was more on their team. I was introduced and the Lord started grooving. Said I dig you, baby, but I gotta keep moving on. Keep moving on. Last dance of Mary Jane. One more time to keep moving. I feel someone creeping in. Dying this time again. Well, I don't know, I've been told you never slow down, you never grow. I'm tired of screwing up, tired of going down, tired of myself, tired of this town. Oh my, oh hell yes, gotta put on that body dress, buy me a drink, sing me a song. When the other done, can't stay long. Last dance of Mary Jane. One more time to keep moving. I feel someone creeping in. Tired of this time again. There's pigeons down on Market Square. She's standing in her own way. She's looking down from a hotel room. A nightfall will be coming soon. Oh my, oh hell yes, gotta put on that party dress. Buy me a drink, sing me a song. The music gone, just can't stay long. Last dance of Mary Jane. One more time to kill the pain. I feel someone creeping in. Tired of this town again. You can really tell the difference in an expensive guitar and a cheap guitar when you get into like really plucking it and pounding on it. It's unfortunate. The Epiphone does sound way better than this, but kind of cool to get it back out. A little trip down memory lane. Woke up to morning sky first. woke up to morning sky first, baby blue just like you. When I get up off this ground, I take the leaves down to the brown until I'm green. Walk where I be shaded by a tree, through a meadow of green, for about a mile, and into town, into town. With all my favorite colors, that's right, all my favorite colors, yes man. My sisters and my brothers, see 'em like no one. Oh, my favorite girls. Good day for me, good day to see, good day to be, yeah. My sisters and my brothers, see 'em like no one. Oh, my favorite girls. Take me to the other side. A little baby bluebird flies by on the gray clouds and white walls and blue skies. We're gonna fly and be alright. Black moon's alright. We're going woo. On the coming parade, and it was raining again in the morning. Right now, with all my favorite colors, yes man, all my favorite colors. My sisters and my brothers, see 'em like no one. All my favorite colors. Yeah, a lot of buzz when you're barring chords, man. Buzzing like crazy. Like I said, well, it was fun. Do one more and call it. 'Cause my hands get tired. The arthritis is kicking in. But that ain't no lie either. This one's for Josh. I hope he sees this. You were here before. Looking in the eye. You're just like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. You float like a feather in a beautiful world. So very special. I wish I was special. But I'm a creep, I'm a widow. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. Don't care if it hurts. I wanna have control. I want a perfect body, yeah. I want a perfect soul. I want you to notice when I'm not around. You're so very special. I wish I was special. I'm a creep, I'm a widow. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. happy. Whatever you want, you're so very special. I wish I was special. I'm a green, yeah, I'm a widow. What the hell am I doing